Hey, Brian Young, Pro Ticket Toys, ProTicketToys.com. Hey, I want to go, we've got 3 new items, and I want to show these to you. The first one we're going to show you is the 55 ohm. This is the, 70 ohm hand throttle. All right. Basically comes in a package like this. It's a Ninco hand throttle. We work on SCX, Scalextric. These are really nice hand throttles, okay? Got a nice spongy cord to them and all that. Let me get this clean. I don't know why this is so messed up. My son, he comes over here, he makes a mess. Just doesn't make any sense. These are other ones we're going to be doing later, but I don't want you to videotape me. All right, so we have these 2 hand throttles. So here is a standard SCX hand throttle right here, okay? And the trigger on it is you know, it's rough. When they make these sets, they have to put in the cheapest hand throttles possible to get the sets down in price, okay? Now, the next level you can get, this is a 70 ohm. These are the higher standard quality. This is a 55 and this is the 70. This is the one we're showing you right now. This is item number, this is a new item we're listing. It's item number 10302. Hand controller, 70 ohm. So this is a 70 ohm hand throttle. And you really can tell the difference when you pull the trigger. Listen to this one. See the roughness, because what it is there's a brush. You know what? I'm just going to show you. What the heck? Why don't I just show you? That's what he's always telling me. Now, where's my screwdriver?
What kind of
I had a Phillips right here. Everything was right here, okay? And now
I'll get you a Phillips and a flathead.
Yeah, well, that's not the one I wanted, because the one I wanted is a really nice hand throw. Here, is it on the floor? Here, I got it right here.
Wow.
These are my favorite. You know what's so funny? I'm going to tell you something funny right now. When I got married, I was 155 pounds. I was 26. All right, so this is the inside of an SCX hand throttle. That's your trigger. And see what it's rubbing against? That's the sound. That's the sound it's rubbing against. All right. Now the question is, now listen to this hand throttle. See the difference? See how quiet it sounds? And so when you're driving your car, see how I can go at a lower speed? Where there's less, because a resistor is resisting the power, okay? So you could drive slower and still have control. Now this is the 70 ohm controller, okay? So this is gonna have more power. You're gonna have more of a change in speed. See how you're changing in speeds? That is the 70 ohm, and it's a much higher quality than the, now let's look at one of these hand throttles. The SCX kind of flew apart because it was stuck at the top. Now let's see if I can take this apart without it flying apart. Okay, let's see here. Oh yeah, look at this interior here. See now, see how your resistor has more coils. So it's a larger coil. See this, the quality, it's all about quality, okay? But now, when you buy a Ninco set, their cheap hand throttles are the same as these, okay? It's not necessarily that Scalextric or SCX is making a cheaper. They have to make a cheap hand throttle for the set to keep the set price down. That's why you, look, see, it's a better spring. See, this spring is better. See this spring right here? Okay, it's all about pricing. See your armature? Okay, it's made out of copper, which is good. You want it out of copper. You still don't want it out of steel, that's for sure. So this is the 70 ohm Ninco hand throttle. It's a new item that we have. And it's nice and quiet. Isn't that cool? That is the 70 ohm.
What tracks can...
This can fit on SCX, it can fit on Scalextric, it can fit on Ninco, and obviously Ninco, and SCX and Scalextric. So you'll be able to plug these into a Scalextric track. And that is the... The problem with this track is I don't use it enough, and it gets dirty because I'm constantly working out here. But once the cars are warmed up, they run really good. So that is the 70 ohm hand throttle from Ninco. It's a new item that we have, and we'll be showing you the next one in the next video. Hold on a second. And that's the package it comes in, nice like this. Just like that. That's Brian Young, ProTicketToys.com, ProTicketToys.com. Have a great day.